I finally got this closet for my office and today is day 2 of assembling it together. Let's go. This is what I did last night and it gave me a massive backache. I'm telling you, it's hella heavy. Anyways, today I will be assembling the drawers. We got a whole bunch of them, like 12. Put on my genius glasses because I'm blind or whatever, and let's get started. As I've mentioned before, I'm too broke to spend $300 to have someone assemble it, and I'm confident enough I can do it myself, and that's why I'm doing this. The first thing I always do, as you already know, is assemble the tools, and judging by the looks of it, it seems very easy. I wanted to film this experience so I can look back and think, damn, I can't believe I did this. It really takes patience to do it. When I was a kid, I never finished any puzzles or knew how to do them. I actually hated doing them, but this is fun for me. I've assembled other pieces of furniture before, and I'm gonna be honest, this IKEA packs is the easiest of them all. It's so satisfying to see it slowly coming together. Progress. The solid bottom is for all my junk so it's not visible, and the glass top is for all my makeup and skincare products. Pull-out trays on 2 sides for my jewelry, then finally the shelves. I just realized that they only sent 4. I actually ordered 8. Yo, I spent $1,500 on this and this is what they give me? Come on now, IKEA. Yeah, one is damaged. Crazy. This is the last puzzle for tonight. I'll have to contact them tomorrow for the missing shelves and we are done. It's so beautiful. I'm so excited and tired. I'll keep you guys updated about this. Bye!